Hello everybody, this is Bear from Wave. How's it going? Here's a new Bitcoin update, full analysis. Today is Sunday, the 11th of July. So to give you an outlook of what I'm looking for, this is a daily chart, and from the lows of the end of 2018, we can count 1, 2, up in 3 with a top on of April 2021, and now possibly we're in the making of the intermediate wave 4, which is the red one. So one thing I wanted to show you right now is, as you can see, these two vertical blue lines represent 0.618 and equality of the time span of wave 2. So usually Elliott says that correction of the same degree will tend toward equality in either time or magnitude. So of course here will be equality wave 2, but let's also keep into consideration 0.618, as it is of course the golden ratio. And also, as we went over last time on the last update, the link should be popping up right now up here. So that update, I show you our equality of wave 2 and 4 in price. Here we have a 72%, and 70% of wave 4 would be around $20,000, which once again is where it could kind of bounce from a trend line from the parallel channel drawn using the Elliott Wave technique. So once again, we have some confidence around 20,000. That's not a surprise, but let me take you into the 4-hour and then the hourly to kind of show you what I think is happening on the lower time frames and what you should expect next. So here on the 4-hour, as you can see from the possible low into wave A, we can now count 3 ways up into wave A, 3 ways down into wave B, so now you could expect some kind of wave C. So if I take you into the hourly, I can show you how we have ABC into wave A, ABC into B, and then 5 ways up into wave C. To then complete minute A. Then the ABC into minute B is down in A, triangle in B, and then down again in C. So if this count is correct, we should now see upside into wave C. Of course, the question is, assuming this ABC is of minute degree, we would then need to complete higher degree wave B. So wave B would be completed around here. So one thing is very common and I look for is equality of wave A and C. So equality will be around 40,000, which of course will be most likely some kind of resistance zone. We also have some previous resistance around 40,000, and as we know, large numbers attract large orders. So with that being said, I don't exclude to go somewhere around here for wave B, but yeah, it would look nicer to go around somewhere around 45,000. But that would of course mean we have some kind of pretty large wave C. However, if I take you back to the 4-hour, usually what we look for in a zigzag is the wave B to retrace around the 61.8% of the previous move down to wave A, and that is between 46 and $51,000. So yeah, I would like to see wave B kind of being completed around this area at least, so between 40 and 45,000, to then resume lower. Remember, this is a wave B, so it can also be a triangle. And as I said, the question also is whether this 3 ways up is wave A of minute degree rather than minuet. So if this is 1 degree lower, then we have ABC and then ABC and then again. So we would have ABC into wave A of minute degree, down in B, and then up again into wave C. So that of course would predict wave B to go much higher. So with this count, it will definitely go around this area, the 50 to 61.8% of the move down into wave A. Is that possible? Yes, it is. Which one is the right count is this minute? Is this minuet? Well, it's kind of early to say. That is why I said it is kind of a big question mark. But what we know now is that most likely we will see upside, still in the form of a correction, since we had 5 ways down and not 3. So with that being said, for the short term, I do favor the upside. I don't like to trade the short side yet. So still upside to come. And as I always say, as long as the pullbacks are in 3, we can look for longs. So that was it for Bitcoin update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the discount, if you have any question, or if you'd like to add anything to my analysis. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.